See the tiger print? I just started, and this has been on there for going on since the beginning of this year. It's what, October now? And I did that on purpose because everybody was just like, no, that's not ouch. Okay. Remember I told you my nails grow upward. Okay? They grow upward, so they grow in that direction. So when I do this, that's more comfortable than holding my hand the other way because they grow in that direction anyway. Understand? Since they grow up, they're more comfortable when they're actually laid back because that's the direction in which they grow because of the iron deficiency. Understand? I know it looks funny. I know it looks uncomfortable to you. But do you see me flinching? There's no ouch. Do you see me in pain? I wouldn't be doing this if I was in pain. Trust me when I say that. Okay? I'm not a masochist. I don't enjoy pain at all. This does not hurt. Okay, so I must be getting a whole new group in here. They just asked, how do I sleep? Okay. I close my eyes and I drift off. If you ask me a question of something that I have to show you physically, then watch how you ask the question because you're not wording it in a way that I can explain it to you. I can't show you. I physically can't show you how I sleep. There's a video. I physically can't show you how I cook unless I get up now and pull something out the freezer and thaw it out and start cooking. I'd have to physically show you how to cook. I don't even know how to tell you. And you didn't ask a specific meal. You didn't say, well, how do you fix hamburger meat? How do you fix a hamburger patty? How do you put your hands together to make the patty flat? You all aren't asking that. How do I cook? Cook what? It's hard for me to explain to you guys. You have to be a lot more specific than what you're doing with the questioning. The blanket question is something that I would honestly have to show you and not, yes, these are my real nails, and not have to verbally explain. I can't explain some of that. Like, how do you drive? I physically have to go out to the car and show you how I drive. When you ask a question like that, I can't say, well, okay, I go outside, I open the door, I get in the seat, I put on my seatbelt, I turn the key in the ignition, I put my foot on the brake, I pull that's what everybody does. So, if they drive. So you can't ask a question that everybody else, no, that's not showing you, that's not telling you how I drive. If that's the case, then if you drive, then you would know how I drove. If I just told you how, then why are you asking me? Because everybody drives the same way then. Correct? Correct? Then why would you ask me how I drive if everybody's doing it like I do? No, they're not heavy. I honestly don't have a favorite. And don't tell me to calm down. Please don't. This is my life. If you don't want to see me upset, then don't upset me. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to relax. Don't tell me to chill.
daawadayaal halkaas aan kusoo gabagabeynaya muuqaalkii qofka halkaas aan kusoo gabagabeynayna waxaan ka codsanayaa inaad like noo saartaan pageka foogaraysana YouTube channelkeena aad subscribe noo saartaan waa mahadsantihiin waa anigoo Cabdullaahi Sar